Kwan winyo mar flamingo e nam Victoria medo dok chien kaluwore kod buya mar Mathenge mudino kaka gipiyo e namno. Buya no osemedore moloso bungu makoro dino nyaka le mawuotho e kind Bogoria nyaka Ruko. Apisas mag Kemri koro ochako chenro mar golo oko buya no mar yawo thuolo ne winy mag flamingo go maber kendo dhi mbele kod chenro gi e namno. Giwacho ni medruok buyago bende oseduoko chien weche limbe ne jogo mabiro neno winyogo.
We have had a big problem of, flamingos dying because sometimes flamingos have to land, and they land at night. And so a lot of flamingos have been affected by being trapped in the prosopis thickets. Because in the night, the visibility for the flamingos is very poor. And so when prosopis has occupied all the landing areas for the birds, it has been a very, very big problem.
Ni imeleta madhara mingi sana. Hasa kwa wanyama, imemaliza mandeka. Hasa sehemu zile za Lake Bogoria. Flamingos wamelan kwa hiyo prosopis na wengi sana. Kwa upande wa mbuzi, ng'ombe na zebras, imemaliza nyasi.
It was all brought to Baringo to assist in afforestation, to arrest soil erosion, so that we can achieve those agricultural activities. But the goodness of this tree is that, yes, Baringo is green. The drier parts of Baringo is now green. But we have the diverse effects. The diverse effects is that, one, as we depend on the tourism, the plant has encroached so much in Lake Bogoria, where we have the hot springs and we have the flamingos. So many people come to see these thousands and thousands of flamingos. But right now, those flamingos have nowhere to land. Because as the water has risen, the Mathenge has also gone deep into the water.
Malayo jopuonjre 150 mawuok e counties mopogore pacho ka Bogoria county ma Kisii e tiegruok mar piny owacho e tiyo gi lony manyasani. Chenro no mar Ajira Digital Platform ibago e mbalariany ma Kisii kokelo kanyakla jopuonjre madwaro timo tije